gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
So today, let's break away from the usual and explore something that truly dares to be different. It's not mainstream, but it's definitely premium, and it's built for people who crave something unique. With its exclusive 35mm plus 18mm dual focal length setup for street photography, stunning full-screen front design, and powerful iris copper gaming engine, this device is going to win a lot of hearts. Meet today's star, the Nubia Z80 Ultra street photography gaming phone, a perfect blend of pro-level camera and flagship gaming power. Nubia keeps refreshing its flagship lineup every year, which is something I genuinely admire. It brings emotional value to users who are passionate about photography while still delivering that high-end smartphone experience. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The Z80 Ultra sticks to Nubia's distinctive design philosophy: bold, artistic, and unconventional. The overall look may seem familiar, but with fine-tuned details and improved craftsmanship, it now feels more polished, more premium, and visually more striking. The rear camera module is still the main highlight. Nubia continues its signature window to the universe concept, blending futuristic aesthetics with performance design. The two-layer layout looks neat and organized. The rounded edges and precision shaping through hot bending technology create a smooth, fluid curve. The main lens features Nubia's signature red ring, surrounded by a textured metallic pattern, giving it that instantly recognizable look. The entire phone uses a rugged armor crystal material, which feels solid and metallic, but smooth and warm to the touch. Flip it around and you're greeted with a 6.85-inch full-screen display. No punch holes, no notches, just pure screen. It uses JD's latest X10 under-display luminescent material, delivering a crisp 1.5K resolution and a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate for the perfect balance between performance and efficiency. Hidden beneath are an under-display camera, an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, and SGS-certified low blue light protection. Every part of this screen screams flagship quality. On the sides, Nubia's attention to detail continues. There's a customizable multifunction button on the left that lets you set shortcuts or quick launch your favorite apps. On the right, you'll find a physical two-stage shutter button, perfectly mimicking the feel of a real camera. Half press to focus, full press to capture. It's a small touch that makes a big difference. Now let's talk about what really sets this phone apart: the camera system. The Nubia Z80 Ultra packs a 35mm main lens with a custom 990 sensor, a 50-megapixel 1.3-inch sensor, f1.7 aperture, and 1.2mm pixel size. Alongside it, there's a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with an 85mm focal length, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with an 18mm focal length, 1.55-inch sensor, and a 100 degrees field of view. Every lens has been designed for professionals, but it's surprisingly intuitive for everyday use. Most flagship phones stick to a 23mm or 26mm main lens, but Nubia's choice of 35mm is what gives this phone its character. In photography, 35mm is considered a do-it-all focal length. It's ideal for landscapes, portraits, and especially street photography. It lets you frame shots naturally without stepping too close or too far, keeping your subject front and center. Thanks to this setup, the Z80 Ultra delivers incredible light and shadow balance even in complex lighting. And with AI-powered image processing, colors look rich and lifelike, while low-light shots maintain sharpness and depth without losing vibrancy. The 18mm ultra-wide lens is another gem. Its large sensor captures immense detail, even in darker areas, while highlights stay bright and balanced. Edge distortion is minimal, keeping wide shots natural and clean. Moving on to the telephoto lens, it excels in compressing space, bringing distant subjects closer with crystal clarity. Even when zoomed in, details remain crisp. At night, that 85mm lens transforms into the perfect street shooter, capturing authentic moments with great color accuracy and depth. What makes the Z80 Ultra even more exciting is its in-camera color grading system. Instead of editing afterward, you can fine-tune colors, contrast, and brightness before taking the shot. It even includes preset film-style looks and allows you to import your own color profiles. For beginners, there's AI-assisted photography, which uses millions of training samples to help you with framing, angles, and composition, basically giving you a personal photo coach in real time. When it comes to video, the Z80 Ultra doesn't hold back either. It supports 4K 120fps recording across all focal lengths, delivering ultra-realistic color and smooth motion. The footage looks crisp, with excellent dynamic range that keeps both highlights and shadows detailed. The Nubia Z80 Ultra doesn't just stop at being a powerful smartphone, it also comes with its own professional photography kit, designed to elevate your everyday shooting experience while adding that satisfying emotional touch for anyone who loves photography. The grip itself feels incredibly premium. It's made from top-grain cowhide, giving it a smooth yet durable texture. Inside, there's a solid aluminum alloy frame crafted from a single piece to balance both strength and lightweight comfort. The grip connects magnetically and locks securely into place. And yes, it includes a physical shutter button, just like a real camera. You'll also find a zoom dial and a mode dial, giving you that true DSLR-style control that photography enthusiasts will love. To make it even more functional, Nubia includes a multifunctional docking station. It supports a standard 1/4-inch tripod mount, so you can easily attach tripods or gimbals for more stable shooting. Plus, it houses a built-in 1,000 mAh backup battery, which allows you to shoot while charging, essentially doubling your battery life. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just getting started, this setup delivers an excellent and professional level shooting experience. We've already talked about the Z80 Ultra's artistic side, but now let's switch gears and talk about its raw power. Under the hood, the Nubia Z80 Ultra runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 platform, hitting nearly 4 million points on Antutu and around 3,500 points on Geekbench 6 single core, with multi-core scores surpassing 10,000. That's a huge jump compared to the previous generation. And with specs like that, not gaming on this device would be a total waste. Nubia brings its Red Magic gaming heritage straight into this phone using the same Cube Game Kernel 3.0 system. Thanks to an AI frame rate sensing mechanism, the phone dynamically allocates power and performance to keep gameplay smooth and power efficient, even in demanding titles. In heavy gaming tests, the Z80 Ultra stayed rock solid, running multiple high-end games at maximum graphics settings without a hitch. Even Genshin Impact, known for pushing hardware limits, ran at a consistent 60 FPS on ultra settings, with an average frame rate of 60.2 FPS and a 1% low of 58.4 FPS. That's flagship level stability. It also features a 3000 Hz instantaneous touch sampling rate, meaning the screen responds almost instantly to your every tap and swipe. If you're into FPS or MOBA games, you'll immediately notice faster aiming, smoother movement, and ultra-precise control. On the software side, the Z80 Ultra introduces the brand new Nebula AIOS 2 system, which brings smoother multitasking, smarter resource scheduling, and improved overall performance. There's also the upgraded Superstar 2.0 feature that further enhances the user experience with more intelligent optimizations. Powering all of this is a 4th-generation non-high battery with a massive 7,200 mAh capacity. It supports 90 watts wired charging, 80 watts wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. So you're covered no matter how you prefer to power up. In battery endurance tests, after 5 hours of heavy usage, the phone still had 54% battery remaining, meaning you can easily go a full day without worrying about charging. At the end of the day, the Nubia Z80 Ultra stands out as something truly special. Its bold design, top-tier imaging system, and powerful hardware prove Nubia's dedication to excellence. It's a phone that doesn't follow trends, it sets them. With cutting-edge AI features and a beautifully optimized system, it's user-friendly, feature-packed, and effortlessly powerful. This is not just another flagship, it's a masterpiece with no weak points. As for pricing, the Nubia Z80 Ultra starts at 4,999 yuan in China, which converts to around 534 pounds in the UK, $702 in the US, and 609 euros in Germany. If you love in-depth reviews and the latest tech news, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join our tech family. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.